Hey guys, how's it going? Bruno here, Bruno's Classic Car Garage. I don't know how you YouTube guys do this stuff. Getting all these thousands and millions of likes and shares and all this kind of stuff. I'm just trying to get to 20 subscribers. That's it. I only need one more. I got 19. I'm a big time YouTuber content maker. All right then. Like, share, subscribe. One more. All right. Hey, what's up guys? It's Bruno here from Bruno's Classic Car Garage. Okay, I'm just been working on the exhaust here for, on and off here the last 2-3 days. There's always other stuff to do and whatever gets in the way. But making pretty good progress here. And I didn't have a flange or a flaring tool. And I didn't feel like going to a shop to get that done. So I managed to get it done myself here. It just takes a little bit of pissing around. Let's see, the collar fits on there real good. And fits on the manifold real nicely. So hopefully we don't have any issues. This one here will be cut in half, and I got to do this end. See? It started off looking like that, and now it looks like that. She looks like $1,000,000. Anyways, so here's what we got. So far, it's just kind of tacked and set in place here. It's pretty damn even on both sides. I mean, if it's out a 1/4 inch, I'd be surprised. It's pretty damn the same. Other than the car's not symmetrical. The floor is actually over to one side because that's just the way the motor's set offset a little bit. So kind of throws it off a bit, but everything is nice. Yeah, I don't know what you guys think. Check it out. Check it out. Looks pretty good. And this is a full stainless kit. Like I say, you can see I just got everything tacked. Now I'm working on the front here. Coming up to the front, I got to tie in this section here to the manifold. So I got these two sides to do. And then I think I was telling you guys before, the pipe that I'm using here is 2.5 inch. And originally it was 2 1/4. But I couldn't get a 2 1/4 stainless kit, so I went with 2.5. I didn't want to get the coated stuff. Even in this, it's like 20 bucks difference between the stainless and the coated pipe. Makes no sense to me, but anyways. So anyways, I did that piece there I just flared. You can see it's for here. So should be pretty good. So I'll just cut that a little bit short here, and then I'll have to, seam it up to the 2.5 inch. Make it nice. So that's what we got going on here. Like I said, it looks really good. So far anyways. So far. And then the back here, I can't really do anything. I started mocking up the back from here to the bumper, or to the back here. Stupid sun here, right to here. But see this area here? There's a very specific kind of a hanger that goes here, and I don't have it. And I got really no other way to fasten any type of hanger here, because the exhaust is probably going to sit up pretty tight to the top here, or maybe just 1/2 inch down or something. I'm not sure yet, but that's what these holes are for. And I did look online, and it looks like I can get them, so I'll have to get a set of those. And then just tie this into the back here. I mean, I can fire it up. This is going to come, exhaust will come down this way, no big deal. I can do the rest a little bit later. So once I get the front done, then I got to take it all out and then weld it on the floor. Can't weld that up on the car, it's just a nightmare. So that's about it, guys. Just wanted to show you that and see where we are here. I think it looks pretty sweet. Yeah, and I had to cock the mufflers a little bit just because otherwise this pipe would have ended up over here, and then I would have had to have some weird, you know, two bends in here. I didn't want to piss around with that, so that's kind of how I did it. It doesn't really matter anyway. You know, I think it gives it some awesomeness underneath here. So yeah, that's about it. Clearances are the same on both sides here. Like, it's pretty tight to the A-arm, or the arm here, like maybe half an inch or so, but it's already all the way down, so it's not going to hit. So we're going to be good. We're going to be good. So there it is. I'm going to keep plugging away here, and then I'll come back here in a bit. All right, guys.